Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla.
Hadien ke Jingialang jong ki MLA ke Seng Npp Bjp but independent kabala long Iing Sah u Conrad Sangma kila leit banyak Kynduh u governor ke jylla u Phagu chauhan bat kamru ban thaw yak sorkar thymmai.
Samiksha, you were listening to Conrad Sangma as he stated that right now
Please.
Just now their PP missing of all the newly elected NPP MLAs. Just now we had a meeting and we decided and we have also elected Sri Conrad Sangma, our Chief Minister, as the PP leader of the that is the decision we take this morning. And the rest, please, our Chief Minister will detail all of it.
Sir, in total, how many MLAs are going to Governor House along the way?
No, so we are, of course, our NPP MLAs are on their way because they are all results got over last night. So till they are formally here, of course, on the phone we have spoken to everybody, and we are going to proceed as a party. And of course, BJP has given its formal support to us, but we are going to meet the Honorable Governor, requesting him to call us and invite the National People's Party to form the government. And in the meantime, as I said, the BJP and other political parties have already extended their support, and those details are still with us.
Which are the other political parties?
What about UDP, sir? UDP, sir?
We'll let you know. We'll let you know. When the time comes, we'll let you know.
Which are the other political parties?
Yeah, we'll let you know.
Sir, you are going to a state claim to build the formation of government. You have a number.
Yes, absolutely. We have a number.
So one more thing, sir, resignation and formation of government, the supporters letter, all will be given to Governor today itself
Yes.
only?
Yes.
So how many political parties, sir?
We'll let you know.
And basically, how many MLAs are going to
We have been communicated. Yeah, we have been communicated that the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable, maybe even the Honorable Prime Minister would like to attend the swearing in, and therefore we are waiting for confirmation from the Honorable Prime Minister's office. So if he will be attending the swearing in, then we'll have to wait for the dates according to the Prime Minister.
So we were informed that the UDP is here to take a call to extend support to you, sir?
No, we are asking the Governor to invite the National People's Party, being the single largest party, to form the government. And as I said, we have already got support from different political parties, and that we will let you know.
How many MLAs?
I'll let you know.
UDP has extended support because we are made to understand
That the UDP is yet to take a call on the, this matter.
So you know it then.
Sir, any Congress candidate has
You just
also
said it.
approached any Congress candidate?
I said those details we cannot give it right now. We don't want to give all the details right now. But just want to tell you that we have sufficient. What will be the name of the coalition? We'll sit down. We'll sit down and discuss.
Will it be MDA
We're going to
too,
sit with the
sir?
partners. Sir. Today we just had a meeting only with our NPP mainly, and of course our independent from Bakmara is also here already. This is somebody behind, and BJP. So right now we are 29. 29 means as a party from different independent and the political parties.
So HSPTP has also extended support to you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we don't want to give all the details. Just wait and watch. So we'll have some.
So do you have 32 number right now? Sir, do you have 32 number right now standing with you?
Absolutely.
More than 32 you have right now. Sir, any comments on the whole violence that was witnessed?
The violence, in fact, it's very unfortunate. It shouldn't have happened. We understand the sentiments, of course, are there. People are very emotional at this point in time. A lot of violence took place in different locations, but things are, as of now, under control. And I would like to urge all the people of all political parties that the election is done. We are democratically, we have finished the democratic process, and violence is not the way. So I would appeal to the people also in the political parties not to get into any kind of violence.
What will be attribute to your success?
No, I mean there's nothing like that. We just we have worked committedly for the people in the last 5 years, and people have given us an opportunity to move forward.
Okay. Thank you.
ऐसा जो है जितना हम जानते हैं बीजेपी के जो नेता अर्नोस माउरी और संदो सुलाई वो भी इनके साथ जो है जाएंगे पूरा गुट एक साथ जो है अभी सर
Thank you.
ये तो